Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I made this cake topper. Sometimes I know you might get a cake top offer that requires you to customize a topper, and then at the end you turn it down because the person said he wants the topper exactly as seen in picture, and sometimes you don't know what to do because you don't know where to get the topper, and maybe you've been to the market and you cannot see that exact topper in the market. So if that is you, sit down and let's get started. So I'll be using CorelDRAW to achieve this task. So I'll be opening a new page, then afterwards I will then type that at 80. Then select a font. I had to select a font that is big, bold and not tiny so that I can be able to cut it when I'm trying to cut. Then double right click at this button right here. This is in order to increase each of the alphabet or the numeral in the screen. Now I want you to notice something. The DAD, the DAD, is not connecting to each other and I am not comfortable with this font, so I am deciding to change it. Just take a look at it, the DA, and the reason why I've decided to change this font is so that after cutting it, the letters won't be separate from each other. So let's look for another font that will suit what I have in mind. So finally I've decided to go for this font called Bookman ITC LTBT, and it suits what I want. Now I'll be dragging the letters closer to each other. One thing I like about this font is how the D is connecting. So when I bring it together, it will connect to each other. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to fill in that space between the D and the A. Guys, if today is your first time on my channel, thank you for stopping by. And if you're a returning subscriber, note that I love you so much. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and also share this to your friends so that YouTube will get to push my videos and it will encourage me to post more videos. Thank you. Now let's talk about the sizing, the size I want this to be. So as a baker, you need to know your measurement. I want the outcome of this to be 7 by 6. So let's put that into work. Now I am done with the sizing. I have to switch this backwards by clicking at the mirror button to turn it backward. Then duplicate it in case of error while cutting it. Then proceed with my printing. Please do remember to turn your words backwards before printing. This is so that after cutting it, it will come into shape. And how you will know that you are in game, or maybe you are in line of what you're doing, just look at it from the backwards, like look at it from the shadow and see that yes, you have done so well. Then we proceed with the cutting. I'll be using a gold sticker, top bond, craft knife, or you can improvise with a razor blade. Then a scissors to achieve this. Now I am applying the top bond to the back of the gold sticker, which afterwards I then had to paste the paper I printed to the gold sticker. I don't know why I can't find the video where I had to attach it, but anyway, we move on. So I'm cutting it to get the exact shape of the letter. Now I am done cutting it with scissors. So look at it, it's not giving any meaning yet. So I have to use a craft knife or a razor blade to cut the inside. That is why we had to turn this backwards the time we were printing it, so that these letters we've turned backwards will be a trace as we are tracing it with the craft knife, either with the craft knife, with the scissors, or with the razor blade. So that is the importance of turning your words backwards, so that after cutting it, it will then give a meaning to it. Now let's continue. Now our customized cake topper is ready, and I have to attach a skewer to it by applying a candle wax to it. Then it's ready to go. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please do subscribe. Subscription is free. Like this post, comment, turn on the notification button so that you'll be among the first to be notified when I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and know that I love you so much.